Ethereum charts are just screaming out with a signal that's saying that a major, or should I say a parabolic Ethereum move is right around the corner. So what exactly is that move and what would be our price target for that particular move? To know this, stay tuned to our video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. In today's video, we are going to see what is the pattern that's getting formed in the charts of Ethereum and what could be our price targets from the short to the mid-term. If you like the content, please subscribe to our channel, leave a like and also comment. Also, join our Telegram group as well. That is where we keep on discussing about various cryptocurrencies and we also give certain calls. So it would be definitely beneficial for you. So now let's jump onto the charts. So we are on the weekly chart of ETH USD, right? And this week, after making an high of around 2163, we are on Binance currently, so 2163, we have corrected a bit and we are currently trading at around the $2000 mark, right? And we are well clear of the bull market support band. So the bull market support band, if you guys don't know, is the 20-week SMA and the 21-week EMA, right? So once we cross this bull market support band, we can safely presume that we are in a bull market, and that has been the case right from the beginning. Okay, now with that being said, I would like to plot the stochastic RSI and then show you something which is of real interest to me, and it will be of real interest to you as well. Now, after plotting the stochastic RSI, this is on the weekly chart. What we see here is the blue line is about to cross the red line. Okay, so this has not crossed yet, but this is about to cross the red line. And one important thing is, if it crosses this red line, then mostly a parabolic move is on the charts, right? Now, when was the last time this happened and what was the returns, right? So the last time this happened was around 26th of October, right? And till when did it last? So we'll calculate the endpoint as to when this blue line actually enters this region, right from 20 to 80. Okay, so anything below 20 is our oversold zone and anything over 80 is our overbought zone, right? So things, if we are above 80, things are really getting heated up, right? And if you are below 20, then things are pretty cool, right? So we crossed on 26th of October and we crossed back down on the 15th of February. Now what we should be doing is we should be measuring how much return did Ethereum give us in terms of US dollar during this period, right? So let's quickly measure that from 26th October. So let's quickly do this. 26th October to 15th of February. Okay. So as we can see, the returns on the stochastic RSI crossing over was close to 400%, right? And that's huge. Okay, but this took almost around 4 months or so. Okay, it took us around 112 days, right? Now, what are the things that we need to keep our eyes on? Number one, the blue crossing over the red, and the blue has to enter this zone over 20. That is when we confirm it as a cross. Okay, so not only will this the blue line crossing the red line will suffice, but we need to confirm it by entering into this zone. Now if we cross it, let's say at around somewhere by the end of this week, then we are currently at around $2,000. Okay, so if we increase by, let's say, another 400%, that is the thing that we did last time as well. We went and we got a return of around 400%. So if we get a return of 400%, we will be touching a modest $8,000 of Ethereum, right? And that would be huge. Am I saying the Ethereum would definitely reach $8,000? No, nothing is for certain as far as trading is concerned. It's probabilities. It's a game of probabilities, okay? But we may safely assume that this may give us returns in excess of $6,000, okay? Now, if one data point is not enough for us, let's take another data point. This time we were actually crossing over the bull market support band. Let's measure that as well. So this would give us a better idea. Okay, when did we cross? We crossed over in the week of 13th of April 2020. Okay, so let's measure. And when did we cross back? We crossed back on 24th of August. Okay, so let's measure the returns that we got from 13th of April. Okay, this was our candle. We'll not be considering the weeks. We'll only measure the body of the candle. Okay, so okay, right from here till 24th of August, right? So we got 166% returns, right? That's like 2.5x of your money, right? So that is where we said that it can actually go and give us a return of around, $6,000, around $5,500, $6,000, right? So with this being said, let's move on to the Ethereum Bitcoin chart that we have over here. So in the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, we are noticing that in the last week we broke the bull market support band, right? So we have been playing around the bull market support band for the Ethereum Bitcoin chart for some time. We have been going up, then coming down as well. But for the Ethereum USD chart, the last time we touched upon the bull market support band was around 5th of October. Okay, so we have been on a steady rise from there, right? A correction is due, mind you. So always be aware of that. Now, with that being said, we have crossed over this bull market support band as far as Ethereum Bitcoin valuation is concerned, and we saw that we are actually playing around in this particular zone, right from the beginning of January 2020. We have been playing along in this pattern, right? We have been actually making higher highs continuously, right? And let's say if this one moves higher, so we might target around 0.05 of Bitcoin value. Okay, and but there's something else that I would like to show you, right? Same thing here is a stochastic RSI. Now interestingly, the stochastic RSI here in the Ethereum Bitcoin chart has actually crossed over. The blue line has actually crossed over the red line, and we are into the zone of 2280. So as far as the Ethereum Bitcoin move is concerned, I believe we will be in for a great run. Okay, if let's say we are able to click around 0.05 of Bitcoin value, then as far as that USD is concerned, so we'll be targeting at around, if very conservatively, if I presume that Bitcoin value would be close to $60,000, okay, very conservatively, then also this a 0.05 value of Ethereum would take us to $3,000, right? But these are some things that we have been discussing on a Telegram channel for quite some time, right? So what you need to do is you need to head over to Telegram and join our channel. It's Crypto Bulls Club, the same name that we have on YouTube. It's the same on Telegram. We were actually discussing on Telegram, and I thought of actually making a video today, right? So join Telegram groups. That is very, very important, right? We also give some calls as to what might happen on some of the small caps coins as well, All right. Now, apart from that, if you like to read about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, you can visit our website cryptobullsclub.com. that is where we post interesting articles. So this is a recent article that we posted about Uniswap. Next, on Facebook, you can find us on Crypto Bulls Club. So as you can see, I posted about this in the morning itself, right? So you need to follow us on Facebook as well as on our Telegram, right? So we posted on this chart pattern breakout in somewhere around 6-7 hours back. So that's very so this is one other place that you need to be on, right, to get real-time updates. Also, we have partnered on Twitter with Bharat Finance. So you can actually find us on Twitter at twitter.com/financebharata. So this is the Twitter ID. Okay, so do follow us on Twitter as well. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Keep your eyes glued on this cross. That's very important. As far as I'm concerned, this might happen probably by the end of this week or early to mid next week. There's one more very important update in regards to Bitcoin as well. So as you might be knowing that the Coinbase IPO is due on 14th of April. So that might actually take Bitcoin price surpass the previous all-time highs, and we might be looking at a $70,000 Bitcoin probably by the end of this week or by the starting of early next week, like Mondays or Tuesdays. So 14th of April is Wednesday. So before that, I am expecting that Bitcoin might hit an all-time high. Now that is purely on the basis of fundamentals. Okay, so but we'll cover this in the charts as well. What are the charts saying in our upcoming videos? So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with at least one person in your network, right? So that they are also able to gain some knowledge and earn some money with cryptocurrencies. Because if they have the knowledge, then only they'll be able to make decisions which would be driven by facts rather than emotionally driven decisions, which may lead to massive losses, right? So please share this with at least one person in your network, and do subscribe to our videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share your comment as to what do you think Ethereum would be doing. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay happy.